Look at Smallthorne Roundabout, and we're going to look from above of the way to approach and deal with roundabouts from different directions that you may get on your test. So this one is from High Lane. You will normally be advised, so if you're advised, do it to approach the roundabout in your right lane, because you will be going straight at the second roundabout and right at the third roundabout, so it sets you up. The position here is obviously in your right. This roundabout, you keep this position here. Be aware of the solid white line on the roundabout. Do not go over these, pointing it out now. And then you're in the perfect position for right. Next thing to watch out for is these pedestrian crossings. Easy to get caught out. So this time we're looking at from the test centre going to High Lane. So you'll be going left at the roundabout, approaching in your left lane. So just pointing at our vehicle now, and you're in the left lane. But this is the bit where some people go wrong. At this point, when you're going left, you will need to get into the right lane because you're going straight. So there's the point there, the transition point. And then straight ahead, quite easy, straight at the next roundabout, straight at the following roundabout. The only thing I would say be aware of is when you're really focused on a roundabout, you can miss the pedestrian crossing, which is just ahead of this roundabout. But apart from that one, as long as you get the transition right, it should be all be good.